Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And, yeah, let's see what we got today. We've got something that came out of an exotic nudes box. If you go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, you'll get a discount. Hey, how about that? This is Indomie Special Chicken. It's a special chicken. Not just any chicken. This is from a special chicken. So, from Indonesia. Haven't had this in years, man. Years. So let's take the sachets out. Drop the noodles in. Kick the timer on for 3 minutes. Get rid of the schmeg. And go directly to our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, the prerequisite Bible of instant noodle psychopaths everywhere. So let's see, number 182. Okay, no, we're on 183, right? Yeah. We read 182 yesterday. Number 183, the bigger an organization becomes, the more cooks there are to spoil the broth. I could see that. So anyways, gosh, it's February the 17th. It's a Thursday. I like that. Thursday is the gateway drug to Friday, which is the gateway drug to the weekend. And yeah, I ended up sleeping in. So I was like, crap, I can't go out walking really. And it was kind of a rainy, dismal day. It still is. And so I thought, well, I'll get the last mukbang that I did edited. So I did that. And then kids got up, got situated, everything was good. And then I had an umai crate that showed up and did the unboxing of that. And then actually the thing I'm going to be doing today also is I got another mukbang I got to edit. And I've got the exotic nudes box that this came out of that I'll do the unboxing for. The unboxings take a lot of time. And not to record, but to edit, which is fine. I mean, I just have a lot of backlog of stuff, and I just haven't been taking time for it. But yeah, and my feet hurt. Man. But aside from that, things are good. This is, what'll this be? Video number 995. You might have noticed that there have been like gaps in between when videos have been coming out in recent weeks. Sorry about that, but I really wanted the 1000th episode to come out on the day the new annual top 10 list came out for 2021. So that being said, it's kind of a banner event. 1000 episodes of anything is pretty ridiculous. So, I mean, in Star Trek, that would be 40 seasons. Wouldn't it? They're usually 26 episodes per season. Yeah, I guess that'd be about 40 seasons. 40 seasons of the Ramen Raider. But this is still season 1 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Alright, so we got our noodles all done up. Yeah, I've been like so freaking busy today. Just running this way and that. Doing this, that, and the other thing. And the only way I know how. Perfectly, succinctly, and wonderfully. So, you may notice sometimes you'll see, well, on any of my reviews, you're probably going to see a link to buy something on Amazon. Well, if you do, whether you buy that or something else, I get a little kickback, right? Well, a couple of years ago, they made it so you could do that and then, like, have it do that for other countries. So I'm an Amazon affiliate as well for like parts of Europe and like the UK, I think Germany and Canada. So I finally got enough to get some kickback. And they charge you to mail it to you. And then I was like, oh, look, you can get an email with an Amazon gift card code. That's cool. So I'll get an Amazon gift card. All right. Well, the Amazon gift card balance is 102 bucks. I wasn't really thinking about the fact that there's probably going to be shipping on top of that. But, man, I was thinking, like, what do I need? What can I really use? And then it was like, oh, I know. I could use Amazon Premiere Elements 2021. That'd be rad. Well, they've got it, but you can only you can't like get a PC download for it, which is lame. And they only have it bundled with Photoshop Elements as well. So there's Premiere and Photoshop. It's like almost 200 bucks. It's Canadian, and then there's, of course, cannot ship this item to your location. So there's currently unavailable and cannot ship this item to your location. Those two things, man, I looked for all sorts of crap and I couldn't find anything yet, really. It's got kind of a extra bump of garlic, extra bump of see, look at that. Okay, garlicky, oniony. That's good stuff. It is good stuff. So let's get our Rotato surface ready. Good day to you, Rotato. Wow, the delay on this thing is just freaking ridiculous. My God. I wish there was a way to like sacrifice image quality on my phone and then be able to have it run faster on the phone. Yeah, it's still pouring. Now it's done pouring. Okay. So I sauteed some chicken. I don't usually saute chicken, but special chicken. That's kind of special. Came out good. My old camera, there wasn't delay like this. But there's a lot more going on with this camera, so I don't know. Man. Yeah, this is good. I can saute chicken. Okay. My absolutely stunning, beautiful, perfect wife last night took the time and made more of the eggs of wonder and amazement. So people are asking, how does she do these? And it's like, of course she does them perfect. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Look at that. Holy crap. Yeah. Man, I'm kind of annoyed. Well, not really annoyed, I'm just bummed. So there's this soy sauce company called Yamasa, and they contacted me and they wanted to send me some broth. Hi, Miles. I am cooking because everyone likes to cook. And they were gonna send me some ramen broth that they're coming out with, and some soy sauce, because I see their soy sauce when I've been to, you know, like American Chinese restaurants a lot. Well, it's been a few months. I'm like, hey, how you guys doing? Because I want to do like a whole series of like, they're like, you know, you can do your eggs up with our ramen broth. I'm like, oh, that'd be rad. So I'd plug that. I mean, I just plugged them and they haven't sent me anything. So I'm a man of my word. But yeah, this is Indomie extra special friend of friends happiness. Oh, that's right. I was going to use this. Here's this. This is an Indonesian seasoning. It's called bon cabe. Bon cabe. It's spicy. It's kind of legendary over there. It's legendary. Put it on the... Yeah. Just a dash. Dash. And some... Let's puff up these noodles. And a little seed. Just a touch of seed. I don't want to go overboard with the seeds. Not like that. That is classy. That's a nice looking bowl of ramen. Instant noodles, whatever you want to call it. Some people get cranky about that. Some people get cranky about the fact that I call myself the Ramen Raider because I review not just traditional Japanese noodles, but other stuff. That's okay. Go ahead and get cranky. I'm not going to change it. For me to change the name to something else at this point would be like Jack in the Box changing their name from Jack in the Box to Monterey Jacks. Boy, that didn't work well. Anyways, Rotato, do it up. Do it. All right. What do you think of that? Did you like that? I hope you did. Yeah. So I got a lot of work to do today, but I got one more review, and you'll see it tomorrow, and that's gonna be this. Bone broth. That's kind of cool. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Would you please like and subscribe and grab the person next to yourself? They've got a phone with YouTube on it. Make them subscribe. Distract them. Oh, look at that bird over there. Grab their phone, subscribe. All right. Have a good one.